Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to improve the colors in your video automatically? Canva includes an auto adjust feature that can quickly enhance your video's appearance by automatically adjusting color settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use auto adjust for videos in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. You can also open an existing project if you've already created one. Choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust, then tap Adjust. Next, tap Auto Adjust. Canva will begin analyzing and adjusting the video's colors automatically. Wait for the process to finish. Once completed, you'll see the message color adjusted. Your video's colors have now been optimized automatically, and that's how to auto adjust video colors in Canva Mobile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.